Jersey, I'm sure you're not allowed to talk about it as of now, but whatever little you can share about it, if people are really excited and how much it has been done and what's more to it and how much work you have put in already. So, just a little bit about Jersey, if you could.
A little
And
bit
Shahid, of
about
course.
Jersey. Yes, I'll tell you one quality about Shahid. When he is on set, he is living the character, and so is with other co-actors of mine. And but it's different with it's different with every actor, and I really appreciate that. What I really enjoyed during the Jersey process is the fact that everybody was unique and everybody was embraced on that set, right from the sets to the actors to the technicians. It was a very compact set, and the vibe of that set is absolutely different. You can sense emotions even if you just look at a wall. The kind of the props that were there, and it felt so real because this is how exactly it used to be back in those days. So you have that nostalgic feeling. So every time I was on the sets of Jersey, there was this enthusiasm, there was this drive towards giving the best. And when you have that feeling on set, it always pushes you. It always makes you feel that, what, today I have to do something extraordinary. Today I have to make sure that I live the character. And trust me, Jersey was one of the most difficult films for me after Love Sonia, because to get into the character, to experience those emotions, it was difficult. But and it took time. The director, the producers, and Shahid made sure that we all live in that moment and make this character very memorable. And it's one of the toughest ones, and I'm really looking forward, kyunki every day for me, whenever I was on the sets of Jersey, every day I would wake up like, yes, today I have to do this scene. So that creative satisfaction, obviously there were days where I would feel low, there were days where I would feel extremely good, there were days where it would feel really nice when you get appreciation from Shahid, and the best thing is Pankaj sir. I was really looking forward to work with him. He is a legend. Like, even if the best thing to learn from be it Shahid or Pankaj sir or even Gautam, our director, is behind the scenes. Like, when they're not shooting, they have this power of observation, and I kind of really took all these qualities from all of them. And I feel like as and when जैसे जैसे दिन जाते हैं वैसे वैसे I'm becoming aware, and I'm becoming much aware, not just about the character but others' characters too. So this is a beautiful journey, and obviously people are waiting for it eagerly, and so am I. I'm so happy that I'm honestly happy that we still have things left to shoot, so that I can go back to sets and witness that magic. Right now, because of this lockdown, I felt like I have forgotten how to act.
So I wish you all the best, and looking forward to a lot of your work and your films and your songs and a lot of stuff. So thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you so much. I really enjoyed this interview with you. I can't wait to see you soon for other interviews.
Lovely.
Take care,
It was an amazing interview. Same here. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Be safe. Be safe. Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.